We are at Parnell Park in Whittier.
We're at a park, and I have this
Airplane.
There's boy, and I'm just gonna show you how it works.
Okay, let me get behind you.
You have this little hook and this other little hook with a rubber band. And
Don't hit your brother.
and you let go of the airplane.
Oh, wah, wah.
That is what not to do.
So this is not what you do. You don't do that.
What you
Or you don't get it stuck in the air. Where's it at? Is it still up there? It's right there. You can see the orange tip right there in the plane.
Oh yeah, you can. Okay. Anyways,
Have Mama help you fix that.
that's something that you don't.
Tell Mama to fix it for you.
And then this is something that you do.
Fix it, Mama, please.
Okay, no, that's something
What do
else
you-
you don't do. It's something else you don't do. No, try this. You got it? Have you been pausing it?
No, I've been recording this whole time. You're at 1 minute and 20 seconds.
It's okay, it's okay. 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 This is something you do.
Or you can just do.
There it goes.
You do. That's something you do.
You said doo-doo.
That's like I'm trying to say.
You said doo-doo. And that's the airplane tutorial.
Yeah, that's the airplane tutorial.